made some chocolate chip banana bread, and I also just chopped my thumb off, almost. We always decide we want to make this at 10 o'clock at night, but better late than never. Okay, one thing is we don't have enough brown sugar, so we're gonna make our own. We have some regular sugar and molasses. So Mr. Taryn's gonna make some, and I also have some butter browning back here.
Gotta brown the butter. All right. Oh, it's a
1/4 cup.
1/4 cup of white sugar. It definitely smells different than regular brown sugar. It smells like horse feed. You know what I'm saying? This could really mess it up.
I don't know how long I've had it. I don't know. I just looked it up, and molasses actually lasts 10 to 25 years, so we should be good. We're gonna start with our dry ingredients. We need, our butter's still back there, can't forget about it. 2 cups of flour. We're gonna do 1 teaspoon baking soda.
1/2 teaspoon salt.
And some cinnamon, eyeballing it. Mix this and set to the side. In another bowl, we're gonna, whoa, it's slippery. We're gonna do the brown butter.
All right, brown sugar. It's the store-bought, and this is the homemade.
We accidentally put our 1/4 cup down the garbage disposal. So,
Sweet.
so we have to use 1/3 cup, but just go and hopefully it, I did a little less, whatever. Okay, then we mix.
All right, 2 eggs. Got these off of a farm too, so they're real.
They're real.
Try to be careful, not get any shells in there.
Did we?
I don't think I did.
Usually we use Greek yogurt, but I'm gonna try sour cream this time.
It's half of this.
Never had it with sour cream, so I'm excited to see.
It goes in here.
Vanilla extract. Hopefully that wasn't too much. We're gonna mash 3 bananas.
It smells really vanilla.
Uh-oh. I might have put too much. But hey, it'll be fine.
I think it'll be good.
I would love to wait till our bananas are even darker, but we're going out of town this weekend, so we need to make it now.
It's gonna be tough to share any of this.
I know.
You mix it until it's smooth.
Folding in our dry ingredients. Do you want to fold or do you want to do this part? And you don't want to overmix. Okay, we got it mixed. Now we're gonna fold in some chocolate chips, and I love the mini ones. Milk chocolate. Are those the minis?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, just pour as many as you think. And then we'll put more on top.
Now we're gonna put it in the loaf pan.
And our oven's preheated to 350. Sprinkle some chocolate chips all over the top. Then we're gonna top it with a little bit of flaky salt.
Putting this in the oven, 350 for 55 minutes.
Before we'll see you guys when it's done. Well, I was just doing the dishes and ended up slicing my thumb with a glass bowl, and I cut this finger too. But I'm not going to get stitches, so we just wrapped it up. I'm not going to the ER. We'll just have to let it heal. But banana bread's done.
No shit, I forgot.
We also forgot to put a timer on the banana bread, so we're just hoping for the best. And we have a toothpick ready. Uh-oh. It's definitely not done.
Pop that back in a couple
Yeah,
minutes.
we didn't put a timer, so we have no idea. We just thought it was looking a little brown on top. Okay, we'll be back when it's done. It's done, and it's honestly looking really good. So we're gonna chop into it. It has been resting.
Right down the middle, yeah?
Whatever you think.
Looks beautiful. We got chocolate chips falling everywhere, but it smells pretty damn good. Or fishy.
I don't know. It smells good, but like, we need to taste it to see what the sour cream and maybe what this molasses did. Some butter on it.
I'm going with this one.
I don't know if I even want to try it.
Oh yeah, you do.
Taste test.
You're good, right?
Did we put too much salt?
Dude, that's good.
Yeah, it is good. Or
You're
is it
tripping.
the salted butter that like I just got a big bite of?
I don't know, but I was thinking the molasses made it. Oh, good.
My first bite was very salty though. I think I got a big chunk of butter,
Yeah.
but I love salt. So
And I'm craving a soda.
Oh, show them what you got at the convenience store. I got 2 big packs of coconut Dr. Pepper. I can't believe you're drinking that. It's almost midnight, but like I said, we're leaving town tomorrow. We have a lot to do, and I don't need this right now. I literally don't. Get off. Oh, I kind of want to drink. I'll see you later. Let you know how this heals up. I think I'll be fine.
It's scary, but this is good.